Welcome back to the Seguru Academy. Today we're going to be solving a very interesting equation that I've came across when I was solving questions today. And it goes, x to the power of x is equals to 7 to the power of x plus 49. And we are asked to solve this beautiful equation. We need the value of x that will make the left-hand side to be equals to the right-hand side. So this is what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen. When you're working with exponents which looks messed up on both sides, introduce logs. Logs have the power to pull exponents down. So I'm going to introduce logs on both sides. I'm going to say log, and then here I had x to the power of x equals to log. This side I had 7 to the power x plus 49. Right. Now the loss of log says the exponent can become the coefficient of the log. The exponent can become the coefficient of the log. So now I'm going to take this guy at the back and this guy at the back of the log. Let's do that, ladies and gentlemen. So we have x log x. Right. This x is this one. This one is that one. I'm sure you understand, ladies and gents. Then let's go on. Here we're going to have x plus 49. But because there are two terms, I'm going to put a bracket. And then we are left with log 7. The exponents are now our coefficients. And then here we can now multiply the log into the brackets. Okay, let's do that. We have x log x is equals to x log 7 plus 49 log 7. Right, ladies and gentlemen. And then the nice thing is this part is now isolated. It doesn't have an x on it, so I can leave it this side. But this part, I have to take it to the left because it has an x, so it's going to join the other guys that have x's. So we're going to have x log x minus x log 7, which becomes 49 log 7. And then here we have a common factor of x that I'm going to factorize. You can see there's an x here, there's x here. We can take it out as a common factor. So we're going to have x in bracket. The first term is remaining with log x. The second term is remaining with log 7, which is 49 log 7. Interesting. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the loss of logs that says the logarithm of a quotient. A quotient is like division, basically. The logarithm of a quotient is the same as the difference between the log of the numerator and the denominator. So what I mean is this. So here you can see we are doing the difference between the logs, right? It means this was originally a quotient. So I'm going to take it back. Outside the bracket I have x. Here I'm going to have log the quotient of the numerator and the denominator. So this guy was the numerator, this guy was the denominator. The logarithm of a quotient is equals to the difference of log of the numerator and the denominator. Okay, which is equals to 49. And then I can put brackets here, log of 7. Now I need you to observe something here, ladies and gentlemen. Right. You have a coefficient which is x here. You have a coefficient which is 49 here. You have a log. You have a log. You have a quotient here, x over 7. And then here you have 7. So mapping these things together, we can agree, ladies and gents, that this guy will go with that guy. And then the log will go with the log. And then this guy will go with we'll go with that guy. Okay, and by default we can see that excitingly x is equals to 49, or x over 7, which is this part. You see the part after the log must go with this part, which is equals to 7 over 1. Then cross multiplying x times 1 will give us x, and then 7 times 7 will give us 49. Indeed, the value of x is 49. If you found this video interesting, you know what to do. There are more than 300 videos of mathematics on my YouTube channel, Bahula Clinton. Quickly go there and subscribe, because there's more content like this coming. Tango, aluta continua.